was your mamma Makaba, but Nassana for Yedi and Comanchebiana and MP Amanyoko Kotoaba, Ekoi Yura, a vice president, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, so no anybody a partner in now, or don't for Yadma 2024 year, you woman, you watch and you Sebaka Kotoaba na Fay, you are Mampanian for Summa Sibuja Fono, Ghana for answer to me, Atwabano Ediama, Yura Bawumia, MP Manukono, a Muniswa Dum money sword, some baby 18 and so, to me, Abemu, and your running mate once and seminal, Ababe the jar. Ebi mo si enyim fra santimantem yanum sei ebi mo si emfa NAPO ebi mo si emfa yero sei Adutwum edi ahodo pi na ebobo baaye na no anakane eye former general secretary edema eye NPP amanyoko ni Boadu ono so akasa kakra a kire na adwene ede afa eye running mate won sesem no ho na Boadu tu ede tu ya no che se obi a wo ho kwan se ti so be pre so ba be running mate na so adi nchemu pina na dia to jafa ekwan be fa so be choose running mate no ekwan a yewura Bawumia krampo fa so a e choose no ma na be running mate de ma o mampani na dan kwaku for the since 2008 ansa na party no gina to mo nchemu pina ana yewura Boadu o dia to dwa efa running mate emu nhwehwemu no enso eho abuso enko ni nti yewura Boadu ye ba be si ho kwanya na afa ye de nsem no eho enkomo
waiting for the running mate for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. From where you sit, how is it looking?
Mahmoud Bawumia was nominated in August 2008. So we still have more.
We're told April.
We still have more time to go. And like I said, it is nobody's right to become a running mate. You want to become president, contest, we open nominations. So this noise about I should have it, I should not have it, and creating all kinds of challenges, I think that is something that must be stopped. Because even if the flag bearer chooses one person, which we've seen over the years, National Council can decide that no, we won't go with this person. We will give you the opportunity to change the person and bring another person. We've done so. In 2008, we did it about 4 times before we arrived, because even in terms of the equation, Dr. Bawumia was nowhere near who becomes our running mate at that time. It also happened to us in the year 2000. In terms of equation, if we wanted a Nodna and a Dakumba, it is not a Liuma. We had people, we had Malik Alhassan, who was then the youth organizer of the party, was the MP for Yendi. We are talking about Yendi. But in the wisdom of the flag bearer and the National Council, yes, there were some few grumblers. Yeah. At the end of the day, when the decision was made, we realized that that decision was the best decision to make at that time.
Are you looking at a Christian or from Ashanti? We've seen a lot of talk that it ought to come from the Ashanti region. At least there's a lot of calls for that. We can clear this out of the way, then we can focus on Siga.
For me, it's not a question of looking at a Christian or not, but we have a tradition of trying to balance our tickets. We are the only party, if I'm talking about New Patriotic Party and the NDC. NDC had gone into elections with 2 Christians. They've gone into elections with not balancing the ticket. We have consistently, from 1992 to today, tried to have a candidate
and that will continue
to represent the southern sector, a candidate that represents the northern sector, a candidate that professes either Christianity, and a candidate that, and I think that we will not depart from that. Now that we've been able to the annoyance of naysayers, the only Patriotic Party cannot get a candidate from the north. We've broken that. So you can see that breaking the 8 is in the offing. We've broken that.
We are never taking a female candidate.
We are not going
to. We are
not going. The next time we get a female candidate, you'll be the presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party. We are not going to use females as added ons to our party structure and governance structure. So don't worry. The next time you see New Patriotic Party, because it's been difficult, we've broken this cycle of non-Akan as our candidate. We've broken that. So for a woman, and I'm looking forward, if I join the party and very soon.
I love my job. I'm good here.
But you can still continue.
So the 3 candidates that have come up
by joining the party.
The 3 candidates that have come up so far, at least front runners. That's what we've seen so far.
I mean, I don't know.
You don't know
it's just names that have been mentioned by supporters and friends. And I don't know of any because, like I said, this is not a bona fide of anybody.
Okay.
So supporters of individuals are just mentioning. this should not lead to unnecessary acrimony that we are seeing in the party. And I think that it's important that we maintain so. And I have stated, and I continue to state, that whoever is even appointed or nominated by Bawumia have to get the acceptance of the National Council. Okay. And it is possible whoever you are supporting, if he is nominated, may not get approval from the National Council. So everybody should calm down. Our main job is to win the elections. We have a very good candidate. We have a very good party structure. So it is how to develop our message in such a way that MFA and other people will appreciate that, yes, there are challenges. We are going through challenges as a country, just as all other countries are going to. But within the challenges, we've been able to chalk these achievements with the kind of resources that we have. Okay. Nobody should shy away from debating the fact that New Patriotic Party, in terms of achievement, has done so much. I don't think there's any party in this country that has been able to do so. Right, I was saying,
and I said General Secretary, former General Secretary, Edema, the New Patriotic Party, MPP, Amanyo Konyera John, Boadu, and it will be a better answer. Now, yet the name and so
Uncle Jamie, Yamana Basso, I'm really a Cotuabana, your horn, and the trooping was an answer. Babuaya, and that's why I should look at Safina, I'm Safina, or Pastor Sajijan who campaign money. I think that's a good thing, but I never quite. I was here to say, running maintenance and some now, I'm wearing Sana. If he said they are trading dangerously because people in the person just so Bruce one will never Ghana Mode, may they be a cassa, and ya they are running maintenance and so about 2 minutes. So I say because anka everyone penny dada Kofi alaje lu mama no nanka we expecting say anka 2008 election no akobenya vote boom every ho nanso so no anka akosi aga so I say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba ye na minima de say I could say in terms of it's a young trema or monemo yenya potential say yes ideas agree then na at this idea same class for it's on office or will be 100 and 10 na the Uncle JB can say and you be right say 3 year running mate are chosen are appointed dear nipa no pre na de be kana one year be call him say even though say Bawumia na LED NPP now but in terms of decision making there on neck that's National Executive Committee am transfer with the nipa so say na so benten yet ne tala ho yeyi eti ye mo atweyem ne hwe say de nyama bisi akọ ne duru ha etumi mu say bisi aka no.
Right, I was for like share na for comment section I say efa emaya yakram